I dreamed of beef. What does this dream mean? Explain plainly.
I'm a psychologist and I'll explain. Beef symbolizes prosperity and abundance. When you are cooking and eating beef in your dream, you are dreaming when you have a desire for good health or when you foresee the acquisition of wealth. Dreams involving beef suggest that difficulties or problems you are currently facing will be resolved and your destiny will improve.
So a dream about beef is a good dream?
Yes, it is. Dreaming of beef is a lucky dream. The appearance of beef in a dream is when you have the desire to take in power. According to psychologist Freud, dreams are about fulfilling desires.
I am Sigmund Freud, an Austrian psychiatrist who in 1900 published a book called The Dream Judgment.
Eating meat in a dream is a manifestation of the desire for meat in real life. Greed is classified into 7 desires. They are appetite, desire for money, desire for material things, desire for color, desire for knowledge, desire for honor, and desire for sleep. The lust of this dream is appetite. According to Freud, dreams are manifestations of repressed desires.
I dreamed of a bad image of beef.
I dreamed of a good image of beef.
Okay, the first half of this video explains the bad pattern of beef dreams, and the second half explains the good dream pattern. Please start from the part that matches your image of the beef dream. Psychologist explain.
Dream analysis make you happy. But I had a dream about eating bad beef before.
Tasting an unpleasant meat dish in a dream is a simulation of an unexpected outcome.
Why do I have strange dreams?
There is a simulation hypothesis by Michel Jebau of the University of Lyon, France. The hypothesis is that we can simulate in our dreams the coping behaviors we need to take in the future.
I understand. I think that theory may be true.
When bad meat appears in a dream, it can be interpreted as a warning that you may face difficulties. A bad dream can be a prediction of bad things. Therefore, when you have a bad dream, it is important to be prepared and careful.
What does it mean to cut or roast meat in a dream?
Cutting and roasting meat in a dream symbolizes your energetic state. This suggests that your positive actions in the real world may lead to success.
But doesn't this dream represent sexual frustration?
Certainly, dreams of cooking meat can represent sexual frustration. This may be teaching us the importance of managing our desires appropriately. It is important to pay attention to and balance your emotions and desires.
I am sexually frustrated. I wonder if there is a nice guy somewhere.
I think you will find a good man because you are attractive. The dream of beef represents that.
That's good. Thank you. I understand a lot about your beef dream. Now that I know what I desire, I'm going to go find a man.
Please don't get caught by strange men. Take care.
I'll come back if I have any more weird dreams. Bye-bye.
Who dreamt of eating meat or other situations other than dreaming of cooking should also watch the meat dream video. Psychologist explain.
Dream analysis make you happy.
What does it mean to receive beef in a dream?
The experience of receiving beef in a dream suggests that support or assistance is on the horizon. This suggests that there is a high possibility that someone will appear who can help you with the project you are currently working on or the dreams and goals you would like to achieve. This dream teaches the importance of continuing to move forward and the value of sometimes accepting the support of others.
What does it mean to eat meat in a dream?
The experience of eating meat in a dream can happen to any healthy person, and it reflects a desire for nourishment or a desire to relieve stress. If you dreamed of eating meat, it may suggest that you actually have a desire to eat meat. Through this dream, you can understand your hidden desires, and when you realize them in the real world, your desires will be fulfilled.
Thank you. I'm going to eat beef today.
That's very good because it satisfies your desires. The meaning varies depending on the type of meat that appears in your dream and how it is handled. A dream about meat may contain a message that you desire something strongly, but may not be able to admit it consciously. Meat dreams teach you the importance of listening to your inner voice and paying attention to your own true desires and needs. A dream in which you see meat can also be interpreted as a sign that something pleasant will happen to you, your family, friends, lovers, and other people close to you. Dreams are a premonition of good fortune to come. Beef is a widely popular food item, so its presence in a dream symbolizes the approach of a desirable event or lucky situation. In particular, dreaming of eating beef is a very favorable sign for you. This suggests that your hopes and dreams will come true and will bring you happiness and success. If you dream of eating beef, this is a sign that your hopes and wishes will come true.
Now that I think about it, I had a dream before that I put beef in the refrigerator. Please tell me, what does it mean to dream of putting beef in the refrigerator?
Dreaming of putting beef in the refrigerator often symbolizes temporarily taking on a troublesome problem that is weighing heavily on your mind. This may indicate that you are feeling burdened in real life or have a problem to solve. These dreams vary in importance depending on the situation. Be careful in your dreams of storing large amounts of beef or large pieces of beef. This dream suggests that interpersonal struggles and internal conflicts may be more burdensome than expected. These dreams serve as a warning against hastily accepting requests or tasks from others. However, in professional situations where responsibility cannot be avoided, it is wise to approach it with determination. To dream of putting purchased beef in your own refrigerator suggests that your own words and actions may lead to problems that you have caused yourself. Be careful with your communication to avoid future problems. To dream of storing someone else's beef in the refrigerator indicates your responsibility. This dream is a foreshadowing of helping them or managing something on their behalf. This dream is also a simulation of what will happen in the future, or it may mean that your work, projects, or values may be unintentionally disrupted or sabotaged, even if you have no malicious intent. This dream suggests that you should pay attention to how you interact with people and make sure you don't overlook anything. To dream of storing beef in the refrigerator is a simulation of responsibility, vigilance, and interpersonal conflicts and self-induced problems. The video also provides a detailed explanation of dreams about refrigerators.
I'll come back if I have another weird dream. Bye-bye.
Please come again. Eating meat in a dream indicates that you are energetic and in a good period. In life, there are good times and bad times, and this dream of beef means that the present is a good time. You can further improve yourself by using this period to set and implement self-improvement goals. For example, this is the right time to take actions that will bring you closer to your ideal self, such as studying to obtain a qualification or training your body through exercise. If you see yourself eating meat alone in your dream, it may be a sign of loneliness and loneliness in real life. On the other hand, dreaming of eating meat with others suggests that you have a social life and that you may receive useful information or good news from others in the near future. People who dream of eating meat with other people usually value human relationships, and by placing more emphasis on human relationships from now on, their destiny will open up in a better direction.
After all, what does this dream mean?
According to Tibetan Buddhist psychology, all our experiences are subjective and are not substantially different from what we originally call dreams, according to a researcher named Stephen LaBarge. According to him, the interpretation is that dreams are rehearsals for living. You have rehearsed to live in this dream. In this way, I believe you can find meaning in your dreams.
I understand. I'm not sure about this dream, but I'll try to find the meaning of my dream.
That is good. After all, I can only support you. Dreams are for you to interpret and use in your life. I hope you will change your life happily through your dream interpretation.
Thank you for watching the video to the end. If you like it, please click the good button. Please also subscribe to our channel. Then you will also be able to learn about dreams on this channel. If you have another mysterious dream, please watch this channel. Thank you.
Psycho just explained.
Dream analysis make you happy.